Guess the capital. Welcome to the Guess the Capital game. Get ready to test your geography knowledge. Let's go. Instructions to play. We will give you questions about capital cities. Choose the correct answer from the 4 choices given. Whoever answers the most correctly wins. Which is the capital of Czech Republic? Option A, Prague. Option B, Prague. Option C, Rome. Option D, Sofia. Guess. Which is the capital of Czech Republic? The correct answer is option B, Prague. Which is the capital of Cape Verde? Option A, Pretoria. Option B, Freetown. Option C, Praia. Option D, Seoul. Guess. Which is the capital of Cape Verde? The correct answer is option C, Praia. Which is the capital of South Africa? Option A, Pretoria. Option B, Singapore. Option C, Riga. Option D, Skopje. Guess. Which is the capital of South Africa? The correct answer is option A, Pretoria. Which is the capital of Kosovo? Option A, Sana. Option B, Riyadh. Option C, Pristina. Option D, Santiago. Guess. Which is the capital of Kosovo? The correct answer is option C, Pristina. Which is the capital of Malaysia? Option A, Kuala Lumpur. Option B, Kota Bharu. Option C, Sarajevo. Option D, Roseau. Guess. Which is the capital of Malaysia? The correct answer is option A, Kuala Lumpur. Which is the capital of North Korea? Option A, San Salvador. Option B, Pyongyang. Option C, Rabat. Option D, Managua. Guess. Which is the capital of North Korea? The correct answer is option B, Pyongyang. Which is the capital of Ecuador? Option A, Quito. Option B, Reykjavik. Option C, San Marino. Option D, Sao Tome. Guess. Which is the capital of Ecuador? The correct answer is option A, Quito. Which is the capital of Morocco? Option A, Singapore. Option B, Rabat. Option C, San Jose. Option D, Moscow. Guess. Which is the capital of Morocco? The correct answer is option B, Rabat. Which is the capital of Croatia? Option A, Roseau. Option B, Sarajevo. Option C, Prague. Option D, Zagreb. Guess. Which is the capital of Croatia? The correct answer is option D, Zagreb. Which is the capital of Iceland? Option A, Reykjavik. Option B, Vilnius. Option C, Manama. Option D, San Juan. Guess. Which is the capital of Iceland? The correct answer is option A, Reykjavik. Which is the capital of Latvia? Option A, Skopje. Option B, Sana. Option C, Rome. Option D, Riga. Guess. Which is the capital of Latvia? The correct answer is option D, Riga. Which is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Option A, Riyadh. Option B, San Salvador. Option C, San Marino. Option D, Singapore. Guess. Which is the capital of Saudi Arabia? The correct answer is option A, Riyadh. Which is the capital of British Virgin Islands? Option A, San Juan. Option B, Seoul. Option C, Road Town. Option D, Sana. Guess. Which is the capital of British Virgin Islands? The correct answer is option C, Road Town. Which is the capital of Italy? Option A, Rome. Option B, Luxembourg. Option C, Riga. Option D, San Jose. Guess. Which is the capital of Italy? The correct answer is option A, Rome. Which is the capital of Dominica? Option A, Santo Domingo. Option B, Kathmandu. Option C, Roseau. Option D, Sarajevo. Guess. Which is the capital of Dominica? The correct answer is option C, Roseau. Which is the capital of British Antarctic Territory? Option A, Majuro. Option B, Rotha. Option C, Pretoria. Option D, Sofia. Guess. Which is the capital of British Antarctic Territory? The correct answer is option B, Rotha. Which is the capital of Costa Rica? Option A, San Jose. Option B, Sana. Option C, Prague. Option D, Lusaka. Guess. Which is the capital of Costa Rica? The correct answer is option A, San Jose. Which is the capital of Puerto Rico? Option A, Seoul. Option B, San Juan. Option C, Rome. Option D, Skopje. Guess. Which is the capital of Puerto Rico? The correct answer is option B, San Juan. Which is the capital of San Marino? Option A, Santiago. Option B, Sarajevo. Option C, San Marino. Option D, Singapore. Guess. Which is the capital of San Marino? The correct answer is option C, San Marino. Which is the capital of El Salvador? Option A, San Salvador. Option B, Nuuk. Option C, Pristina. Option D, Pretoria. Guess. Which is the capital of El Salvador? The correct answer is option A, San Salvador. Which is the capital of Yemen? Option A, Quito. Option B, Sana'a. Option C, Roseau. Option D, Manila. Guess. Which is the capital of Yemen? The correct answer is option B, Sana'a. Which is the capital of Chile? Option A, Copenhagen. Option B, San Marino. Option C, Santiago. Option D, Rabat. Guess. Which is the capital of Chile? The correct answer is option C, Santiago. Which is the capital of Dominican Republic? Option A, Santo Domingo. Option B, Skopje. Option C, Riga. Option D, Sana. Guess. Which is the capital of Dominican Republic? The correct answer is option A, Santo Domingo. Which is the capital of Sao Tome and Principe? Option A, San Jose. Option B, Sao Tome. Option C, Prague. Option D, Santiago. Guess. Which is the capital of Sao Tome and Principe? The correct answer is option B, Sao Tome. Which is the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina? Option A, Roseau. Option B, Sarajevo. Option C, Rome. Option D, Seoul. Guess. Which is the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina? The correct answer is option B, Sarajevo. Which is the capital of South Korea? Option A, San Juan. Option B, Sana'a. Option C, San Marino. Option D, Seoul. Guess. Which is the capital of South Korea? The correct answer is option D, Seoul. Which is the capital of Singapore? Option A, Singapore. Option B, San Jose. Option C, San Salvador. Option D, Sao Tome. Guess. Which is the capital of Singapore? The correct answer is option A, Singapore. Which is the capital of North Macedonia? Option A, Sarajevo. Option B, Skopje. Option C, San Juan. Option D, Riyadh. Guess. Which is the capital of North Macedonia? The correct answer is option B, Skopje. Which is the capital of Bulgaria? Option A, Sofia. Option B, Prague. Option C, Sana'a. Option D, Pretoria. Guess. Which is the capital of Bulgaria? The correct answer is option A, Sofia. Which is the capital of Grenada? Option A, Dhaka. Option B, St. George's. Option C, Reykjavik. Option D, Rome. Guess. Which is the capital of Grenada? The correct answer is option B, St. George's. Who got the most answers right? Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for playing. Guess the capital city. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.